Hi, I am Dave Capret Espieza and I'm gonna do laundry. Today, I'm gonna show you how to wash clothes and keep it clean. Let's go! The first thing that you should have in laundry is the powder detergent, a basin, a bucket of water, and your dirty clothes. Step 1. You need to sort your clothes. Step 2. You need to fill a basin with water. Step 3. Put a detergent soap. Let it soak. You need to wash your clothes one by one. First, you need to rub it gently. Next, turn it over. Oh. Soak it again and squeeze it. And put it in another basin. And pick the remaining clothes. Soak it again. And rub the clothes gently and starting from the sleeves. And especially to the armpit. And the collar. And rub it still remaining. Turn it over. And again, you need to rub starting with the oh, there you go. And especially to the armpit. And to the other side. The collar again. And rub the still remaining. Soak it again and squeeze it. Put the clothes into the other basin. Now we're gonna rinse the clothes. Push this away and pull another basin with the clothes. Get your clothes, rub it again for final rinse. And soak it again and squeeze. Put it in another empty basin for hanging clothes. Do it again in the second cloth. And do it on the second cloth. And then turn it over. And then squeeze it. Put it again in another basin. Now it is ready for drying. For drying, get a hanger and start hanging clothes.